Hello everyone, welcome back to Techers. Today we are going to look at OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z-Base Edition, which is in reverb red variant which I have ordered. As you can see, the OnePlus packaging is really nice, which is expected from them. Now let's quickly look at the initial specs which they have mentioned at the back, which is base boost, 17 hours of battery life, water and sweat resistance, charge for 10 minutes, enjoy for 10 hours, clear and stable calls, magnetic control. So they are pretty good features for 2000 rupees earphones. As you can see, they have mentioned here 2190, but I got it for 2000 from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. So let's quickly unbox the packet. Now as soon as I unbox the packet, I get this which is they have mentioned a very cool kind of presentation here, and here's the earphone, which is very neatly arranged, and they have taped here the earbuds. So I'll quickly remove it. Very nice packaging from OnePlus. These are the earphones. Now this is the neck band which comes with it. So here it is, guys, the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z-Base Edition. They have also given a plastic wrap here, so I'll try to remove it as well. But apart from that, what's in the box is this accessories kind of package. I think this is some cards and warranty stuff. Yeah, I think that is there is a USB cord here as well for charging. So yeah, these are all warranty stuffs. So we'll look at it later. The charger, the USB, I'll quickly show. This is a standard USB wire, which is Type C. So it supports Type C charging, and also it supports fast charging, as I mentioned earlier. So this was the quick overview and quick look at the OnePlus Z-Base Edition. So I hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for latest notification updates.